Again, hi, maayong buntag. Ako ay narito na naman sa aking pinagawang bahay. Tinitingnan ko kung ano na talaga ang tinatrabaho nila ngayon. Tinitingnan ko kung ano naman ang sunod kong gagawin sa aking bahay para naman mayroon namang improvement when I will going home vacation. This is one of my project. My house, retirement house, and I am checking what is the next to work out. So this is the bathroom. The bathroom is still going on, and I am also seeing my bedroom. Yeah, see. Not so big, and this is the outside of the house. Yan, see, side of the house where I have my dirty kitchen outside. I'm checking what to do next episode. Fence is already finished painting, and I need more the window, sliding window, and the tiles and the ceiling. So that's it. I can offer for you what's going on of this day. Today is February 14, 2026. This is the outside of the house. Thank you for watching, mga gwapa at saka gwapo.